Hello class 2, good afternoon. So class 2, we are here with chapter number 5 from your course book, Both Afraid. And in the last part, what did we do? We had written question answers along with make sentences, and we have learned about two I sound words. The first one was short I sound and the second one was long I sound. Short I says E, whereas long I says I. Like, for an example, Li, lie is long sound, whereas Li is short sound. Ti, tick is short sound, whereas in some of the words Ti, tie. Ti, tie is long sound. Okay, they have a specific spelling rule that you saw in the book, like when it was M-I-G-H-T, it was might. Okay, L-I-G-H-T, it was light. That means they were the long I sound. But when we write L-I-T, it is lit. So here it is long I sound and here it is short I sound. Likewise, we saw many examples here in exercise B2 from your book, and today we are going to do something creative. Today's class is your art and craft class. You can say it. Okay, because there is a question on page number 5151. See, on page number 5151 there is a question. The first activity is 5 flowers. Although it is given that it is asked to choose any one of the activity and do it, but we will do the two. दोनों activities करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? The first one is the activity that has been named 5 flowers, and in this it is written in the poem, the little girl wandered in a daisy field. In the poem, the girl wandered in a daisy field of daisies. Find out what a daisy looks like. Now you have to find what a daisy looks like. A daisy looks like this, and daisy has many colors. There is no specific color for daisy. I am showing you how does a daisy look like. Afterwards, we will do a craft work for this. Okay? A daisy has a petal like this. A daisy looks like this. And in the question it is given that in the poem the little girl wandered in a daisy field and in a field of daisy. Find out what does daisy looks like and draw 4 other flowers that you like and name them. So here the activity's name is 5 flowers. Here it is said that draw 5 flowers and draw the daisy also. But here I have changed it a little, and I have changed it. I have thought that we will make a daisy. We will make a daisy out of what? Out of paper. We will make daisy out of paper. Okay. For that, what do you need? See, in my notes I have pasted it. The daisy will look like this. See, the petals are there. Okay, so we are going to do the same craft work today. For that, you will need some white paper. Okay, I am here making it a large one, but because you have to paste it in your notebook, so you should cut small petals. So first thing that we need for carrying out this activity is you need to cut petals. You need to cut petals, and I am going to cut 16 petals and a circle to make the middle portion of the flower. So okay, I have to cut the paper in this shape. So here I am cutting the paper in this shape. and I will show you how does my paper look like. Or else you can do is just draw a leaf on a piece of paper and यहाँ पर एक circular edge बना दो. This will look like this. Okay, so I am doing the same. I am drawing a leaf shape on a paper and I am going to cut this. And I want 16 petals for it. And one more thing that I want is a yellow colored paper. And when she met the cow, she felt very much afraid, very much afraid. Very much afraid. She wandered in a daisy field that seemed lonely. So till now I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 petals I have got. I need more petals. I am going to cut more petals out of it. And when she met the cow, she felt very much afraid. And after this, I will show you to draw 4 more flowers. Now all my petals are ready and I am going to paste them on the paper. So for the petals, what you need to do? You need to draw a leaf-like shape, and after that you have to cut the paper in the same shape, and at last in the edges you have to make the edge soft. That means ये जो pointed edge है उसको आपको circular बनाना है, so that it will look like a petal. Okay, now see, my petals are cut. Now I am making them soft. I am giving them a circular edge like this. Yes, see. Okay, on one side only I have to do this. Now I will arrange these petals in the group of 4. I will arrange these petals in the group of 4. Arrange the petals, in group of 4. Now how you have to arrange this? See, you have to arrange this in this manner. 4 of the petals you have to paste like this, so that it will look like, firstly it will look like vertical, then horizontal. So I am just preparing it off. Then I will show you how to see. I have pasted 2 petals like this. Now I will paste 2 petals over it, so that it will look like exactly what I have shown you. Okay. One more layer is ready. After pasting these group of 4, we will arrange them in a manner so that it will look like daisy. Okay. Now this 4th group is going on. I hope you have understood how you have to paste the petals. Now all my 4 group of petals are ready. This is the first one. This one is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the last one. Now how you have to paste them. Now on the first one, apply some gum like this. You need to do it on paper, isn't it? And arrange the second layer so that ये वाला जो लेयर है इसको हमको ऐसे अरेंज करना है कि सारे पेटल्स दिखें. ठीक है, ये देखो, I have pasted and all the petals are visible. All the petals are visible, isn't it? See. Now again I will paste them in a manner कि इनके बीच से सारे petals दिखें. Can you see here? All the petals are visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now I will arrange the petals so that they will be visible from these gaps. I have told you 16 petals. This can be done with the help of 12 petals also. Okay. Now the next 4 petals I am going to arrange them in a manner so that they will exactly look like daisy. Now see, I have pasted all the 12 petals in group of 4. I have told you 16, okay? 12 will also do. See, my daisy is ready. Now I want a yellow portion for the middle part of the flower. Okay. So for that, what will I need? I will need a yellow piece of paper and I'll cut them in a shape of circle. Okay. So I am cutting the paper in the shape of circle like this. You can use any circular object for drawing a circle on a piece of paper, and after that you can cut it. So I have got the circle like this, and now I will paste it over the petals. It will look like a daisy flower, the flower that I will have. Now I am applying gum over it. And my daisy flower is ready. I hope I am audible as well as I am visible to you. I am making a big flower so that it should be visible to you. आपको visible हो इसीलिए मैम ने big flower बनाया है. But you need to make a small flower. So this is my daisy flower. This is my daisy flower, and when it will dry up, I will put small dots over it so that it will exactly look like a daisy flower. Now this was our daisy flower craft. Now I am going to show you how to draw some more flowers. So I am going to show you, this was daisy flower. Now I am going to show you how you have to draw a rose flower. Okay. rose. How you will draw a rose? To draw a rose is very easy. To draw a rose is very easy. Just you have to make a spiral like this. Okay? U, a small u. Then after that, and give the petals. It will look like rose. Okay? Okay, or else you can do this spiral, then what is this? This is a rose, and color it with your favorite color, because roses are of many colors. White rose, yellow rose, red rose, pink rose, even blue roses also. Next is lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Lotus is also very easy. Just you have to make petal like this and just repeat the pattern like this. This is flower lotus. And what is the spelling of lotus? L-O-T-U-S, lotus. This is the third flower. Now I am going to show you. Number 3 is marigold. For marigold, just take a point. This is number 4 flower, marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Take a small point. Okay. And after that, you need to draw this pattern, a heart-like shape. 2, 3, 4. Okay? After that, just repeat the pattern like this. Okay? And at last, you have to make a shape like this. And what is the color of marigold? They are generally yellow in color. They are generally yellow in color. And this part will be green. This is flower marigold, and now I am going to show how you can draw a hibiscus. Hibiscus. Hibiscus, for hibiscus, what you will need? A small point like this, and just you need arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Or you can do, what you can do? Take a point and make an S kind of structure like this. S. And from here to here you have to join it with the help of curves like this. ऐसे curves बनाने हैं. Okay. Okay, this this will look like a hibiscus, and here you will need some green color, and it has yellow pollens like this. And this will be red. Hibiscus are also of different colors. Hibiscus भी different colors के होते हैं. They are yellow, they are white, they are pink, they are red. So I am coloring my hibiscus of red color. Okay, so this was the activity of the day. What did we do? We have drawn 4 flowers: rose, lotus, marigold and hibiscus, and we have done a craft of daisy flower. We have done a craft of daisy flower with 12 petals and 1 yellow circle. Okay class? So this was the first activity that is given on page number 51. Now the second one is you have to write something. You have to write something. What you have to write? The second is all from milk. All from milk. Now we have to write a little notes about milk. The first character of the poem was the girl who was standing, who was wandering in the daisy field, and the second character was calf. And calf is a baby of cow, and cow gives us milk. So the question is, a calf grows on the mother's cow's milk. The milk we drink too comes from cows and buffaloes. With milk we can make many milk-based products. Find out about the health benefits of milk. Okay, so for this you need to take out your notebook. Write chapter 5, both afraid. Chapter 5, both afraid, and give topic as all from milk. All from milk. The first thing that we need to write about is the health benefits of milk. The first thing that we need to write is the health benefits of milk. Milk पीने से क्या फायदे होते हैं? So write it. The health benefits of milk. First we will discuss it, then we will write it. The topic is the health benefits of milk. What are the health benefits of milk? So what are the health benefits of drinking milk? Drinking milk provides benefits such as healthy teeth. दूध पीने से हमारे दांत मजबूत होते हैं. Drinking milk provides benefits such as it gives strength to our bones. ये हमारी हड्डियों को मजबूत करते हैं. और जिस तरह से पानी हमारी बॉडी के लिए ज़रूरी है उसे रिहाइड्रेट करने के लिए, उसी तरह से मिल्क भी ज़रूरी है बॉडी को रिहाइड्रेट करने के लिए. So the health benefits of milk are, now writing the answer, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. You need to write fast. M-I-L-K, milk, provides, P-R-O-V-I-D-E-S, provides, benefits, B-E-N-E-F-I-T-S, benefits, such as, S-U-C-H, such as, drinking milk provides benefits such as healthy teeth, Healthy, healthy, Teeth, teeth, comma, healthy teeth, healthy teeth, then rehydration, 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 and it gives strength, Strength, strength to our bones. So the first point is the health benefits of milk. The health benefits of milk, and the answer is drinking milk provides benefits such as healthy teeth, rehydration, and it gives strength to our bones. The spelling of strength is Strength, strength to our bones. Now the second one is the approximate quantity of milk a cow gives. एक cow एक दिन में कितना milk देती है? See, it depends on the different types of cows. ठीक है, हर नस्ल की काव जो होती है ना, हर नस्ल की जो काव होती है वो अलग क्वांटिटी, डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज ऑफ मिल्क देती है. कुछ काउस ऐसे होते हैं जो 5 लीटर्स देते हैं, कुछ 8 लीटर्स देते हैं, एंड जो इंडियन काव होती है वो डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क देती है. जो आउट ऑफ इंडिया काव होते हैं वो डिफरेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क देते हैं. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द इंडियन काव, okay, an average Indian cow gives 10 to 12 liters of milk per day. So we are going to write 10 to 12 liters milk per day. So the second one is, the second point that we are going to cover is the approximate. See, some of the words are new to you, so you may find difficulty in reading them, but you need to practice if it is in your book. book में है तो practice तो करना पड़ेगा. The approximate का मतलब होता है हिंदी में लगभग. Approximate. Amount of milk a cow gives. A cow gives. Here in the question 4 things have been asked, but I am going to write only 3. The fourth is the omitted one. A cow gives, and here the answer is ten to 12 liters. Liter is the unit of liquid. जैसे आप शुगर लेने जाते हैं तो वो केजी में मिलता है ना, कितने किलो चाहिए. उसी तरह से जब हम वाटर को मेजर करते हैं तो इट इज मेजर्ड इन लीटर्स. सो द अप्रॉक्सीमेट अमाउंट ऑफ milk a a cow gives is 10 to 12 liters. Now the third one is the different milk products. दूध से क्या बनाया जाता है? That you have to write. Now we are going to write the different milk products. You must be knowing that milk is used for making many things. The different milk products. I'm going to write 6 to 7 out of many. Okay. Milk is used for making chocolates. It is used for making curd. It is used for making ice cream. It is used for making ghee, cheese, butter, sweets. There are many things that we can prepare out of milk. So I am writing here with a star. Milk is used for making curd. C-U-R-D, curd means dahi, ghee, and ghee is very good for health. Next is butter. Butter means makhan. Next is cheese. Ice cream. And many sweets. So class 2, here with this question, chapter number 5 ends. Okay. Some of the oral portion I have omitted, not because I don't want to teach you, but because we are going to learn the same in the grammar book. So class 2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.